Team, today it's snow day.
Wait, what was it, Bob?
Oh, nothing much, Scoop. Today could be a snow day, but we're in the flatlands of Sunflower Valley. So, what are we gonna do today since no one's there for the snow day? I know.
Why don't we make, igloos?
Mark, I don't think that's a bad idea, for example.
You sure about that, Wooly? It only takes practice.
You're right about that.
Well then, we better get to work.
Then let's get to work.
I'm getting lots of snowballs.
I'm getting lots of icicles.
And I'm gonna scoop up lots of snowbanks with this itty nitty thing.
So, what are you guys thinking?
Looks pretty good for an igloo.
Did someone say igloo? Spud, how did you get here? Bob, don't you mean that I'm in the igloo?
No, you're not, Bob.
Travis, I thought you were supposed to be at work.
My work got canceled because of the blizzard.
I see that. Right?
Can't you see anything? You're right about that.
And guess who's here today? With Travis. Farmer Pickles, how did you get here? Well, Bob, your job for the work for the igloo, it's more happier than that. Although, my barn was filled with animals because they can't play outside in the snow. How could they not play outside in the snow? Scruffy, you gotta tell us. Woof, 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 woof. What was that, Scruffy? Woof, 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 woof. Scruffy, I think you had a plan.
What is Scruffy's plan?
Well, Scruffy's plan was actually animals can't be outside unless dogs will have to stay inside. That's right. Dogs will actually keep safe distances.
I think we need to continue building another igloo. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can. Dizzy, you stole my line.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Oh, yeah, I think so.
We're still working on the igloo set for Spud and Farmer Pickles.
It should keep it handy, right? Yeah. We made another one. We did the first one, and then we did the second one. What do you guys think? I think it looks wonderful.
Indeed there is, huh, Travis?
Yeah, I think so. That's good to know. You know?
Yeah, that is right there, Spud.
Especially with the flatlands, of course.
Can we just play snowball fights?
Machines can't play snowball fights because you guys have wheels.
Yeah, you're right about that, Bob.
I agreed with Rory. Besides, I have a crane. And a wrecking ball? Because I can change it into anything. That's right. Well, I guess we're gonna have lots of fun in the snowy day. Woof, Scruffy. You'll be in Lofty's truck to get you good air conditioning. Scruffy, you'll have wonderful safe homes here. That's right, Lofty. That's right.